Is VVS Laxman going to be the entry in Test cricket instead of Gautam Gambhir? Can Laxman become the head coach of Team India? Well, a lot of such news came out. News that became a lot of discussion. News that had been coming for a long time. News that BCCI denied, that IT was denied, that it was not true. But still, these news are news, and there's a lot of discussion on this news that IT is a lot of pressure. Yes, the discussion is a lot of pressure because the smoke comes out when there's a fire somewhere. And Gautam Gambhir's farm has been set on fire. For the past few days, Gambhir's decisions have been going opposite. His team is not performing in Test cricket. Last time, there were a lot of questions about his selection that he had selected in T20. He had a lot of questions about that, and many drastic changes that we got to see. That we are getting reports about the team one day that there are going to be a lot of changes. SEO Gautam Gambhir, who was on a full control team, down on selection, on team, on playing 11, on every place, is what was going on. Right now, there's a question mark there. And in the middle of this question mark, when this news comes out that Gautam Gambhir will be made the head coach of Laxman, that he will be made the head coach. SO, even though BCCI has dropped this news, but there's a question that has started a pressure tactic. That brother, perform well, win, and if you don't win, then this news will get more power, and after that, there may be changes. I mean, it happens that every time it is not removed, sometimes it is brought on you and made to sit on someone. You remember, there was Gambhir in the team of Lucknow. There are Gambhir there, and as soon as Gambhir is there, Gautam Gambhir is brought to Laxman. Laxman comes, Gambhir's role becomes weak on its own. Gambhir comes from there to Kolkata. So these stories keep coming. And these stories are rising in a serious era because New Zealand came to India and defeated India. South Africa came to India and defeated India. And after that, the discussion began. Are we weak in the Test? Are we very weak in the red ball? And should two coaches be made here? One who is of red ball and one who is of white ball.